Welcome to the Manhasset, 301 West 108th Street. Come on inside, we'll look at this really special apartment. The Manhasset is one of the most striking apartment houses on the Upper West Side. The building was designed in 2 phases. The lower 8 stories started construction in 1899 and was designed by Joseph Wolfe in the Beaux Arts style, which was very fashionable at the time. I beat you to the apartment, Amelia. Come on in. Don't you just love a gracious entry?
I do. Wow, I love these high ceilings, the recessed lighting, and these are beautiful garden views.
I know you love the living space, Amelia, but look at this kitchen. Don't you love the island?
Andrew, I love to watch the action in the kitchen, but what I really look for is storage. Wow, that's a lot of storage.
If you like this storage, wait till you see the bedroom.
Oh, really? Wow, Andrew, you were right. The storage in here is incredible. But you know what I really love?
What?
A private hidden washer dryer.
Bingo. Look at the size of this second bedroom. 2 walk-in closets and a home office.
And I can work out right here. Andrew, you know what I love? The whole apartment is renovated and all I have to do is move right in. Ah!
I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
We're at Brown Harris Stevens.
Give us a call or send us an email.
Come look at this beautiful apartment at the Manhasset, 301 West 108th Street.
Apartment 4E.